All right. Now let's look at the workout that we are going to do. So the first part is going to be your CrossFit. Okay. And the second part is going to be your core. So we have used crawls today for the core strengthening. Now let's come to the first part. We'll follow the same pattern that we followed in the Wednesday workout. So we have pair 1, 2 movement, pair 2, 2 movements, pair 3, 2 movements, and we do 3 rounds. Okay. Now let's look at the movement. Pair 1 has 2 movements. Now what do I mean by that pair 1 has 2 movements? So one movement immediately after the other without resting. That is what is meant by a pair of movements. Okay. So in the first pair we have devil press and lunges. So let's watch it and then we practice it and just watch it. How are we going to do in the workout? So for the devil press, you keep one single dumbbell here. Take your hands, legs back, legs forward, lift your dumbbell up. So during the workout, you do 10 devil press like these, okay? And then after that, start with your lunges. Lunges are overhead lunges. Take your hands up, take a step, come forward, lunge. Come forward, lunge. Okay, either you can do a walking lunge or you can do on the spot as well. Lunge, go back. Lunge, go back. Lunges will be 5 on each. Okay, so this is going to be your pair. Let's practice these 2 movements first. Practice the devil press. Just do 2 devil press and 2 lunges maybe. Yes. Yes, Mansi, let's do that. Bend your knees, Mansi. Yes, bend your knees more when you go down. Ekansh, you need to lift your dumbbell up like that when you come back from your devil press. Okay? Alright, just try doing the lunges now. 2 on each side, everyone. Okay. Relax. Let's come to the next movement, which is your renegade rows and sumo squats. So I'm just going to place my mat now. Okay, now again, renegade rows and sumo squats have to be done immediately one after the other. And how? So here is my renegade row. So first balance yourself on your dumbbells. Now from here, do one row, then the other row. Okay? So one by one, do your rows. And after that, come forward like this, widen your legs, legs out, and do your sumo squats. Okay? 10 renegade rows and 10 sumo squats. Let's go for it. Yes. Right now just do 2, 3. Don't do the complete movement. Just take a feel of the workout. Yes. Yes, good Mansi, good. Excellent, relax. Okay, practice sumo squats. Mansi, practice sumo squats now. Legs are wider, toes pointing out. Just do 2, 3 sumo squats right now. Sumo squats, Mansi, not the kettlebell swing. Sumo squats, yes. That is your sumo squats. Okay, alright, let's look at the third pair. Now, in the third pair, we have side crunches and shoulder raises. So, side crunches is this movement. You stand holding the dumbbells in both the hands. Legs are shoulder width apart and chest is out. You bend on one side, crunch, come back. Bend on the other side, crunch, come back. Okay, don't move your torso, only your upper body moves. Let's practice it once. Yes. Only your upper body moves. Yes. Crunch, come back. Crunch, come back. Okay. Now, pair to this is your shoulder raises, front shoulder raises. So, take your dumbbell in both the hands. Like this, slightly roll down your shoulders. Lift up, slowly bring it down. Lift up, slowly bring it down. Alright, let's try that. 2, 3 right now. Yes. Keep your elbows soft. Don't lock them. Soft, not to bend also. Soft elbows. Okay, come down slow. Yes, good. Relax. Okay, relax everyone. So this is going to be the workout today. Pair 1, pair 2, pair 3, and we do 3 rounds. After every pair, I'll give you a rest of 15 to 20 seconds. Okay, not much of rest. After one round, rest of 30 seconds. But between the pair, one movement after the other, no rest. So let me revise the first movement for you. I'll keep revising the movements for you. So the first movement is your devil press. That's your first movement. And along with it, you are going to do your, the first one was, yes, lunges. So along with it, you do 10 devil press and then 5 on each side lunges. And then you rest for 15 seconds. Okay, let's go for it. Start. 10 devil press everyone and 5 on each side lunges. Start the workout, yes. So today in the devil press you are going to lift the dumbbell with both the hands. Okay, if you are lifting with one hand, do 5, 5. Okay, 5 with one hand, 5 with other. Count in no case should increase beyond 10 for the devil press. Okay, those who are done with 10 devil press, immediately switch to lunges. Forward lunges. Yes. Forward, yes, good. 5 on each side, that is the movement. Okay. So if you have done the first pair, rest for 15 to 20 seconds, not more than that. Get ready for the next pair, which is your renegade rows. So that's your second pair, renegade rows. And immediately after this, you are going to do your sumo squats. Okay? 10 on each side, renegade rows and sumo squats. Start. 10 sumo squats, yes. Yes, Mansi, start with renegade rows. Yes, very good. Mansi, take your bottle slightly down. So, as in, it should be here, not here. Okay, slightly here. Yes. Sumo squats after you're done renegade rows. Bend down from your hips, yes. Widen your legs, Mansi, slightly widen your legs and toes pointing out. Yes. Okay. And once you're done sumo squats, you will rest for 15 seconds. The third pair is your side to side crunch. Make sure your torso stays stable. So don't move your torso like this. Okay, keep your torso stable. Go down, crunch, down. Give it a slight pause. 10 on each side. Yes. And once you are done 10 on each, you will do your shoulder raises. Pair movement to this is your shoulder raises. Yes, good. Try to crunch more. So you have to crunch on one side and one side you will feel a slight stretch. That is how it is going to be. Yes, good. Chest out, everyone. Shoulders rolled back, chest out. Don't stoop down. Okay, shoulder raises. Bharat, you can start with your shoulder raises. Yes. Don't take it too high, just slightly above the shoulder level. Bring it down, again up, again down, yes. Elbows soft, don't lock your elbows like this. You need to keep your elbows slightly soft. So soft is this, locked is this, soft. Once you are done, 30 seconds breather. Yes, rest for 15 more seconds. Okay, get ready for round 2. The first pair is your devil press. That's your first movement. Yes, lift it up, and after that your front lunges. Overhead front lunges, lunge, come back, lunge, 5 on each side. Let's go for it. First devil press, 10, and then lunges. Yes, good. Devil press has to be done very fast. Come on, speed up. Yes, Ankita, have some space between your legs. Don't join your legs. Okay, start with your lunges. Those who are done with devil press. Front lunges, forward lunges. Take one hand up. No resting in between. Quickly. Hand up. Start with your lunges. Again, elbows straight and soft. Don't lock, but straight and soft. Don't bend. Okay, it has to be straight and soft. Slightly up, not too down. Slightly up, but yes, not beyond the shoulder level also. Beyond the neck level. Here. Yes, good. Okay, Bharat, you can start with the second pair, renegade rows and your sumo squats. Yes. Ekant, start with second pair, renegade rows, sumo squats. Okay, Mansi, let's start with renegade rows. Ankita, for the renegade rows, I want you to keep one leg down. So what do I mean by that? So I want you to do it like this. So one leg is down, one is here. Okay, and then do your row. Alright, and after maybe 5 on each, what you can do is you can switch. Alright, otherwise this movement and lifting up your dumbbells is not, it won't be good for the posture. Keep one leg down and do.
Bharat, legs a bit wider, Bharat. Yes, go down deep. Yes.
Yes, Mansi, remember bottle slightly down around your waist and not around your chest. Here, okay? If you're done, start with sumo squats. Okay, Bharat and Akansh, you can start with the third movement, side crunches and shoulder raises. Yes,
भरत
good.
नीज थोड़े से सॉफ्ट करो, नीज थोड़े सॉफ्ट करो, चेस्ट आउट रखो और क्रंच करो साइड में. कीप योर कोर टाइट, एब्स की मसल को टाइट रखो. यू शुड फील इट ऑन योर एब्स. गो डाउन. यस, ब्रीद आउट. गो डाउन एंड नाउ ब्रीद आउट. अंकिता, चेस्ट आउट, शोल्डर्स बैक. आगे नहीं, रोल फॉरवर्ड मत करो. आकाश थोड़ा सा लीन फॉरवर्ड करो, हल्का सा. हाँ, यस. And bring it here. That's it. Don't bring it too closer to the legs. Yes, start from here. Yes, slow. If
Mansi,
it's going
torso
1,
to
2 up, it's 1, 2, 3 down.
Mansi, torso stable. Okay, don't move this. Only go down from your upper body. Alright? So don't do this. Your torso has to be stable. Go down from your upper body. You can leave the bottles also. You can do it otherwise also. Okay, it is very close to being equally effective. So just do it like this. Yes. Okay, shoulder raises. Those who have done the third pair also will start walking. Relax for a while.
Ankita, come down slow. Come down slow. Slow. Yes. Very good.
In the third set, can we do it
Start
with
with
the high?
Start with the third set. Bharat, you also start with the third set. Start with devil press.
And can we do it with the higher one, bigger weight?
Yeah, if you can, why not? So with the devil press, the focus should be doing the movement faster, and then you increase your resistance to it. So once you are able to do the movement very fast, you should add more weight. Yes. Ankita, when you are taking your legs back, take them further back. So you should be in this pose when you go back. Okay, this pose. And then you again come forward and come up. Yes. Okay, devil press and your lunges. Forward lunges. 5 on each. Yes, lunges have to be immediately after the devil press. Don't press too much. Mansi, elbows soft and straight. Don't bend them too much. Hold it there, engage your core, tuck in your stomach as you do it. So this is body slightly imbalanced here. Your core muscles are used to balance it. That is the reason. Yes. Okay. Pair 2, you can start with your pair 2 of renegade rows. Those who are done with pair 1, just rest for 15 seconds or so. Start with renegade rows. Yes, good Akash, good. Bharat, try to stabilize your body more, don't let it sway too much. Ankita, one leg down and then do. Yes, good. Good. Carry on. Yes, Mansi, let's go for renegade rows. Mansi, torso down. Your torso is like, yeah, this is better. Lift up your bottle. Yes. Lift up from the other hand. Yes, renegade rows and sumo squats. What happened, Mansi? Lower your camera angle. I want to see your movement. Tired? Tell me.
हैंड स्लिप हो रहे हैं.
So you do one thing. So see, watch it. Your bottle is there, lying down. So you be on your palms. Bottle पे नहीं रहो, palms पे रहो. And from here, lift up bottle from one hand and then from the other hand. Be on your palms. Okay? Don't put your body weight on the bottle. But make sure when you lift up your bottle, take it on the side and slightly squeeze your back. So that is the movement. Okay, start with the third pair. All those who are done. Yes, Mansi, go for sumo squats. Widen your legs more. Mansi, thoda sa aur. हाँ, अब जाओ. Push your hips back and go down. Yes. Okay. After the side crunches is your shoulder raises. Yes. Side crunches, 10 on each, and then shoulder raises. Yes. So Mansi, just try. बहुत नीचे नहीं जाना, बस उतना ही जाना है जितना जा सको, ऐसे नहीं करना है. Okay? Keep your lower body stable. Just go down here, come back. Even if you go this much, that's absolutely fine for the time being. Okay? Don't tilt your torso. Be careful that your torso is stable. Yes, good, good. That is better. Good. If you're done 3 rounds, relax, walk. We will be switching the movements now. Last is your shoulder raises, front raises. Yes. Come down slow. So raise up, come down slow. Raise up, come down slow. Have a sip of water, everyone. We are going to start with our crawls in another minute or so. Okay. Now, the coming up workout is we have 4 movements and we do every movement for 30 seconds. Okay. And so we pick up one movement, we do it for 30 seconds, then do 3 sets of that and proceed to the next movement. That is how it is going to be. Okay. So the first movement is your plank crawl. And how are we going to do it? So we've done the movement before. Let's practice it. Just watch. So you are here. Legs are shoulder width apart. Knees are straight. Go down. Be in the plank here. Pause. Come back. Crawling up. All this while, try keeping your knees straight. So you reach up to plank, pause. While you're coming back also, try keeping your knees straight and come back up. Let's do it for 30 seconds. Get ready. At the count of 3, 2, 1, start. Yes, go down, crawl, reach up to plank, crawl back, up. Yes. Again go down. Legs should not be very wide, just beneath your hips. Mansi, slightly bring your legs closer. Thoda sa paas le aao. I think that's good enough. Bharat, your focus should be that your knees should be straight. Okay, that should be your focus. Absolutely straight won't be possible right now. Okay, so depending on the flexibility, relax everyone. Everyone has that tendency, whether they keep their knee bent or straighten in this workout. Try to keep them straight. Okay, all right, rest for another 10 seconds. We'll be doing our second round as well. Get ready. Again, 30 seconds, same movement. Take your position, stand. Try to achieve maximum counts in this 30 seconds. Okay, now your target should be to do the movement faster, but make sure you don't come back halfway only. Go down quickly, pause in the plank, come up quickly. Okay, that is how it should be. Start. Down, crawl, be in the plank, pause, come back up, stand tall. Again go down. Yes, no resting. Yes, very good. Come back up, stand tall. Again go down. Yes, good, good. Carry on. 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. All right. Let's get ready for the third set. This time we achieve it for 40 seconds. Okay, we are increasing the duration to 40 seconds. Let's get ready and start. Same movement, crawl, reach the palm, come back up, stand tall. Again, immediately crawl down. Yes. Carry on, 15 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. Let's move to the next movement. The next movement is side plank crawl. And how are we going to do it? Crawls remain the basic workout today. We only keep adding variations to it. So again, stand with your legs shoulder width apart, knees straight, crawl down. Reach the plank from here, turn on one side, come back. Turn on the other side, come back. And crawl back and stand up. Again, repeat the same. Okay? Yes? So you need to switch side to side. Ekansh, take a call if that movement is slightly difficult for your shoulder. I'll alter it. Just try it once. Okay? Alright, take your positions. Start. 30 seconds. Crawl, reach the plank, turn towards one side, then turn towards the other side. Difficult, Ekansh? Yes, don't do it. So what you are going to do it, you crawl, reach your planks. So take one leg out, other leg out, and come back up. Okay, keep doing that. Relax. Ekansh, you can carry on. Others relax. Relax, Ekansh, you also. Okay. Let's get ready for the second set. Again, 30 seconds, same movement. Now, when you turn on the side, slightly pause, but be sure that you don't turn too much. Don't push your hand too far, okay? So when you turn in the plank, just go here. Don't go beyond, alright? Okay, start. 30 seconds, yes, quickly, let's go for it. Yes, good Ekansh, good. Mansi, you need to crawl back also. Why not crawling back? So you reach there, one, and then you crawl back up. Again go down. Okay? Relax. Okay. Now the third set again is going to be for 40 seconds. Remember, you crawl, do your movement, crawl back. So don't compromise on crawling back. Okay, everyone, this is for everyone. Try not to bend your knees and try to complete that crawl back. Don't just fall or sit in between. Okay, start. 40 seconds, timer started. Crawl, one side, other side, crawl back up. Stand tall. Again crawl. Yes, very good, Bharat. Yes, good. Carry on. Ten more seconds. Five, four, three, two, one. Relax. Okay. Let's move to the next movement, which is your knee to elbow touch. Again, the same principle. So, workout remains the same. We are just adding variations to it. It is crawl to the plank and crawl back. Okay. So, watch it now. We crawl to the plank. Once we reach here, now this time we move one leg in front, then the other leg in front. So, move it from the side so that the knee touches the elbow. Don't move it from down. Move it from the side. Okay, here and then again crawl back up. Alright, let's go for it. 30 seconds. Take your position. Start. Crawl down. Lift one leg, touch it with your elbow, lift the other, and then crawl back up, stand tall. Again go down. Yes. Yes, carry on, carry on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Take a breather.
I think I like leg day more than crawl day now.
Yeah. So these movements appear very simple, but they are very effective and very meditative. So I also really like this workout for myself also. So during the lockdown with no equipments or maybe no motivation, so this workout really worked wonders. Very meditative workout. Okay, let's do the second round. Same movement. Lift your knees and touch it with elbows. Start. 30 seconds again. Crawl down. Yes. Try to crunch on the side. Okay, so when you touch your knee to your elbow, feel that crunch in your obliques. Yes, Mansi, don't twist your shoulders. So watch it from the front. So while I'm here, I crawl like this, and here I keep my body stable and bring my knees forward. Okay, I will not do this. Don't do this. Don't move your upper body. Only your lower body moves. Yes, good. Relax. Okay. So in this type of workout, whenever we are doing planks, the whole concentration should be to keep your body as stable as possible, whatever the movement is. Okay, let's go for the third round, this time for 40 seconds. Take your position, same movement. Start. Roll down. Shoulders stable, only your lower body moves. Yes. Yes. Come back up. Concentrate on keeping your body stable. Ankita, you need to keep your torso down. Go down. Move your body forward. Yes, good. There you go. Body stable as possible. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay, let's take a breather here for 30 seconds before we do the last movement. Last movement is also plank crawls with some variation. The variation is, I think, plank twist. Variation is, yes, plank twist. Have a sip of water if you wish to. Okay. Now, let's see what are we going to do. Though we know the plank twist movement, almost all of you know it. Let me just revise it for you. So there are two things here. Watch it. So you are standing like this. You go down, reach your palm planks. Now from here, go down on your elbows, twist, side, other side. Come up in your planks and come back up. Okay, so there are two things here. Watch it from the front. I'll just slightly lower my camera angle. So once you reach your palm planks, here you go down on your elbow, twist, side, come up, come back, up, stand up. Okay, two things here. First, from your palms, go down on your elbows and then twist side to side. Let's get ready. 30 seconds. Start. Crawl. Reach the palm planks. Go down on the elbow plank. Twist side to side. Be in the palm plank again and crawl back up. Yes, very good. Yes, carry on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Good. Walk around. So this movement is slightly taxing. Alright, it's not an easy movement. It's slightly taxing. You will experience an increase in heart rate as well. Your cardio will also go up. Okay. Just try that instead of doing the movement very fast, you focus on stability. Okay, don't let your, so once you are, suppose you are in this in your palm and you go down on your elbows, your body should be stable. Don't sway side to side too much. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
while doing the twist, do the legs need to be together?
No,
Okay.
but your toes need to move side to side. Okay, your
Understood.
feet also will move, not just your torso. Okay, all right, let's get ready. Second set, same movement. I'll give you 40 seconds now. Start. Crawl, reach the palm plank, go down on the elbow. Yes, twist side to side, be in the palm planks again and come back up. Yes, good Mansi, try it. You're doing good. Doing good, Mansi. Yes, very good. 15 more seconds. Yes. Concentrate on crawling up. That is equally important. Don't just bend your knees and don't let your body sway too much. Yes, good. Keep looking straight towards your mat. Don't look down. Relax. Okay. Take a breather. Walk. All right. Last set. Then we have some isometric movement. Plank holds is what we are going to do today. Okay. This is going to be 40 seconds. Same movement. Start. Crawl, be in the palm planks, go down in the elbow planks, twist side to side, come back up in the palm planks. Keep your body as stable as possible and don't throw your body at any point in time. You should be in control. Five more seconds. Five. One more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Walk. 30 seconds breather here, then 2 plank holds, and that is all. Okay, 2 plank holds is all what we are going to do next. Okay, let's be in our elbow plank and hold it for 40 seconds. Yes, elbow plank hold. Everyone knows that. Yes, get ready. At the count of 3, 2, 1, start. Be on your elbows, legs straight, parallel to the floor. Yes, very good, Mansi. Very nice. Keep looking straight towards your mat. Yes, carry on, carry on. 15 seconds gone by. 20 seconds more. Just count 15 in your head and you will be through. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Good. Okay. Get up, walk. Okay. Last set, 1 minute of plank hold. Get ready. Take your position. At the count of 3, 2, 1, start. 1 minute plank hold has started. Carry on. 25 seconds up. Carry on, carry on. Last 15 seconds. Hold it. Keep breathing. Keep looking straight. That will correct your posture. Ankita, move your body slightly forward. Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Good. Get up. Walk. Take a walk, everyone. Have a sip of water if you wish to.